Hello, today we're going to change the sway bar end link on the 2008 Ford F150. If you've been driving your truck around hearing the noise of metal, this could be your reason. The bushing has fallen out and you're hearing this noise as you drive around. You're hitting bumps. Just driving down the street, you'll probably hear a rattling. This could be what you're hearing. So check out the sway bar end link if you have that metal clinging. So we're going to replace this. Get this nut off here and this nut off up here. So you're going to stick a 15mm on the sway bar end link itself, and I just wedged it between the frame, help you get leverage. And then you'll put a 15mm on the top nut, which I have a ratcheting wrench, and that'll help you get it off easier without having to turn the wrench if you have a ratcheting wrench. Alright, we got it off. The top one is off. Alright, you're going to take an 18mm, put on the big nut. Take an 18mm, and you're going to take a 8mm, and you'll be able to loosen the 18mm. Another spot where it's going to take some patience and time. Alright, it's loose. Now we just got to get it out of here. Well, since I do have to take off the other side to get the new one on, I'm going to do both. Cut the other side off, and we can lift up the sway bar. You will have to jack up the truck, so just a little bit, so there's movement of the wheel, and that'll give you enough pressure to, therefore it'll release enough pressure for you to slide out the end link. There you go. Put the new end link in. Got the bottom nut on. Lower it down, put the top nut on. When you lower it down, it goes right back up on there. Bushing on. Washer up there. Tighten down the nut. Hold it with the wrench and tighten it up. Got it tightened up. I read online that this one is 35 foot-pounds. And the bottom nut is 66 foot-pounds. So I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.